Your website might look great, but if it loads slowly, you're losing visitors by the second. Oversized images are one of the top reasons your site speed suffers. So, if you're ready to boost performance, improve SEO, and keep users happy, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through how to resize and compress images using two powerful tools, Photoshop and GIMP. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, these quick steps can dramatically improve your site's load time. Large image files might look sharp, but they slow down your pages and frustrate users. The solution? Resize and compress your images without losing quality. Resize in Photoshop. Open your image. Go to Image, Image Size. Enter new dimensions. Keep proportions locked. So if you divide the width by 4, getting this value, the height changes automatically. The image now has a manageable resolution, but much smaller in size. Save as a copy to preserve your original. Compress in Photoshop. Go to File, Export, Save for Web. Here we have a lot of options, but we're going to look at the quality slider. You have to find the right balance. Reduce quality to shorten file size, but without compromising visibility. For optimal site performance, here is a quick guide. Choose JPEG for photos, PNG for graphics. Resize in GIMP. Open the image, click Image, Scale Image. Input your new width and height. Use cubic interpolation for best quality. Compress in GIMP. Export your image. Go to File, Export As. Pick JPEG or PNG, then adjust the quality slider. Lower numbers means smaller file size. Find the right balance. Just like that, your images are optimized. Smaller file sizes, faster site speed, better user experience. And the best part? You didn't need any fancy tools or plugins, just Photoshop or GIMP. Your site deserves to be fast, and now it will be. Check out Bluehost for expert WordPress hosting. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more website and hosting tips.